What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to disconnect and unpair your AirPods in here from your iPhone device. For example, as you can see in here, as soon as I open up my AirPods case in here, a pop-up shows up in here on this iPhone, and it's always going to be on this iPhone because it's actually connected and paired, and it's set to always be connected to this iPhone device. Now do not worry, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disconnect and completely unpair so you can actually remove all the information from the previous owner of your AirPod in here, so you can actually set up it as a brand new AirPod in here without all these configurations. You'll also be able to change the name of the device and a lot more. For example, let's say you've just bought AirPods in secondhand from Facebook Marketplace and you want to make sure you erase all data from the previous owner and add your custom data and preferences under settings. I'm going to show you how to do that in today's video and set it up with your iPhone. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now, first things first, every time you open up your case, of course, it will automatically connect to the device which is set just the way I've just said it in a few seconds. Now, first things first, to disconnect in here, we're gonna hop into settings real quick. We're gonna scroll down, tap on Bluetooth. Okay, this is if you have access to the specific device owner, right? This is the iPhone already paired to this. So if you have access to this specific device, simply hop into Bluetooth and you'll be able to see the AirPods Pro already connected over there. All you want to do is tap on I and then simply scroll down all the way down here and tap on disconnect. Now please note that this is a temporary solution. It will not work permanently because it will temporarily disconnect it right now, and later it will still ask you to connect to this pair of AirPods in here. For example, I've opened it up and it's now showing it wants to automatically connect, okay? So it's temporarily. Now I'm gonna show you a permanent way as well on how you can disconnect and permanently unpair it. Now, the second method is by hopping into settings real quick, okay? So you wanna connect into the AirPods or simply open it up. It's gonna show up in here. You wanna close this, select the AirPods here under settings, scroll down all the way to forget this device. Tap on forget this device, tap on forget device, and this device will completely be forgotten from these AirPods, right? Simply tap here on forget device and it will completely be removed and disconnected from here. As you can see, we do have a pop-up which says not your AirPods Pro whenever you bring it closer. Now you can connect it from scratch from any iPhone device as soon as you open up the case, and whenever you close, this will vanish in just a couple of seconds. Now, please note that in order for these two methods, you still need to have the iPhone of the owner that was previously connected to the AirPods. Now I'm going to show you how to actually unpair and remove all iPhone devices linked to the AirPods even if you do not have the owner's device. Let's say you've bought it in FB or Facebook Marketplace, you've went home, you do not have contact with the owner anymore, and you still wish to delete and remove all the data. Do not worry, I'm going to help you going through this in today's video. All you want to do first is simply make sure that you charge your AirPods for 10 to 15 minutes so you do not face any issue throughout the process of resetting everything in here, because if something happens in the middle of the process while you do not have enough charge, let's say your AirPods suddenly turn off, this can create connectivity issue or bugs with your AirPods. So first things first, simply connect it here to the charger, okay, and then connect the other end to your socket, plug it into your power supply and see if it's charging. It should show an amber color in here or a green color, so you want to keep it charging for 15 minutes on average. Let it charge and then simply disconnect it, and now you're good to go to proceed with the process. Now, if you do have AirPods with a physical button here at the back, just like mine, all you want to do is open the case and ensure that you do have any light blinking in here. It doesn't matter if it's a white, a green, or an amber color. As long as you have color in there, that means that you do have charge. Next up, you want to simply press and hold the button here at the back. Press and hold the button, keep on pressing it for 20 to 30 seconds until you see the amber color blinking here at the front. This usually takes approximately 20 seconds depending on the model that you've got. There we go, a couple more seconds, amber light, release the button and let your AirPod turn on normally once again. That's how you do it, how you reset it in a much older AirPod with a physical button at the back. Now, if you do have a much recent AirPod which doesn't have a physical button at the back, you have sensors in here which communicate with you. So all you want to do in here is simply rapidly repeatedly double tap 3 times. This is how it goes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. Your AirPods will reset and erase all data from the previous owner in no time. Now, please note that this will only work after you open the case and while you keep the earphones here inside. Okay, so it needs to be in the same sequence that I've done and with the same speed that I've done. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. That's it. You're good to go. And next up, you're going to simply bring it closer to your iPhone device, ensure that Bluetooth is also turned on, and it's going to show you side to side the process to connect to these AirPods Pro in here. That's how easy you can actually reset and erase all data from your previous owner here and set your AirPods from scratch here as brand new, connecting it into your brand new device. This is how you can do it. This is how easy it is. And I thank you for watching till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section below if you do have any question or doubt. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.